Hi, welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen, and I'm Terry. Today we're going to make two classic seasoning blends. Copycats for Montreal Steak Seasoning and Cavender's Greek Seasoning. We're going to start with Cavender's Greek Seasoning. Now this seasoning blend is a combination of some of the classic herbs and spices used in Greek cuisine, like dill, garlic, basil, oregano, and thyme, as well as a few others. Now Cavender's tagline is to use it just like you would salt and pepper. So obviously they consider it an all-purpose seasoning, and you can use it the same on meats, on salads, in sauces, your choice. Let's get started. Start with 4 teaspoons of salt, 4 teaspoons of basil, 4 teaspoons of oregano, a teaspoon of thyme, 4 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of dill, 2 teaspoons of marjoram, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of parsley flakes, 2 teaspoons of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. You just want to mix it all together. I use a small whisk, keep it in an airtight container, and it should last for up to a year. Now we're going to move on to the Montreal Steak Seasoning. That's probably one of the best known seasoning blends out there, and everybody loves the flavor, especially the beef lovers out there. When we put this together, it's so few ingredients and takes less than 5 minutes, and you've got it ready whenever you want to. One of the key ingredients to me in this is the smoked paprika. Let's get started. 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. It does need to be smoked. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper, 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and 2 teaspoons of dill seed. Stir all the ingredients together and store them in an airtight jar. This will also last about a year. So there you go, 2 classic seasoning blends that are wonderful to have on hand in your cabinet. Both of them make about a half a cup. Of course, you can double, triple, quadruple so that you have as much as you need. Half a cup will really last you quite a while. A little less on the steak blend. But you don't want to get too much of it ahead unless you're going to be using a whole lot of it, because you don't want it to get to the point where it has no flavor anymore. They'll keep airtight in your cabinet for a good year, but after that, you probably want to replace it because it'll get kind of stale. Thanks for watching today, and I hope you enjoyed these recipes. The recipe itself is down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that you don't miss the next recipe coming up next Monday. Until then, have fun in the kitchen.